So this video is about installing a condensate pump for the AC or replacing even. So we have this 1-inch PVC that goes to a drain, and we need to delete it so that we can finish the basement completely. So we need to install the condensate pump, and this is also leaking right there at the T, so I'd like to get that fixed as well. As you can see, I've already ran this 3/8 ID cleared tubing up and over to the back wall, and I drilled a hole through the concrete so it just drips outside. So when you install this, if you're running a new one, be careful not to tighten it too much and pinch it over, because it can get or restrict it. So I chose this condensate pump called the Little Giant. It's pretty easy to install. You basically got to retrofit the 1-inch PVC to land in here and connect your clear hose here. You have the option of this safety switch, which hooks up to the furnace thermostat. We also just need to plug it in when we have a source there. This is just a leftover piece from before it was connected here. As you can see, it wasn't doing its job. I'm just going to use a piece of this to go directly right into the condensate pump. I'm going to use the oscillator to cut it. I just simply cut and glued this so it dives into here. Now I'm going to trim this up. Get it on there nice and tight. And now we can test it. Okay, we got it all hooked up. We got it plugged into the nearest outlet. I forgot to mention to remove this tab. If you don't, it will not turn on. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. And there you have it. It works.